I take the fact that I live in Florida for granted all the time. People literally come to this state to vacation, and I live here and don't take advantage of that. So today I thought we could go to Disney Springs, act like a little tourist, and I want to do way more micro trips and just really, really enjoy what Florida has to offer. I got a crispy chicken sandwich. Okay, deleted. You're no longer a part of the vlog.
Cheers.
How much was it?
15 per drink. We got electric lemonades. I think it's pretty good.
It is good. It's just fucking $30.
Yeah, $30 for 2 drinks. It's a little expensive. As somebody that's lived in Florida their entire life, I feel like this Manatee Viewing Center trip was long overdue. It's a small nature preserve, and honestly, I was under the impression that it was just a dock to see manatees, but they actually had some pretty cool stuff, so please enjoy this little montage. The plan for today is to go to Hunsater's farm. They have a flower picking field. Granted, it's later in the season, so I don't think we're gonna see a lot of flowers like you typically would see at the beginning of the season. I'll put a bunch of pictures of when I went very early. It was so beautiful. I called, they still have some sunflowers. However, on the drive there, I saw a little sign for another farm. They said they have homemade sandwiches and soups, and I kind of want to stop and eat here. I just have to pop in and see if they're dog friendly because I do have little Remy. So let me see if they are. If not, we'll eat in the car, but I do see some outside seating, so hopefully he'll tag along. I didn't expect there to be this many flowers. I got a good bunch, and look, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's days like these that are a blessing and a reminder that regardless of the health complications that I face, I am still able to accomplish so much. And I feel like I say this often, but I'm just so grateful for my health at times. Like, I know there's a lot of ups and downs, and it's not always nice, and I do need to take a rest and like go slow when I relapse. But the days that I'm able to enjoy it are just so beautiful, and they mean the world to me. I also love documenting them, being able to look back on them, and I love recording and sharing them and just making these videos. Truthfully, I would do this with absolutely zero viewers, so I'm really grateful for every single one of you that take the time to watch the videos, to like them, to comment. It just means the world that somebody else appreciates something I enjoy doing.